So basically, as I explained, we should marry pious and religious women, because it's a very important relationship, and for the rest of your life, you're living in with this person. So the influence that the person has on you is very important. I will give you my personal example as well. Alhamdulillah, when I was about to get married, um, I was a bit religious and I had started to learn more about Islam. So obviously, I come from a Muslim family and I was praying always and all of that. But you try to become better and better. The thought that Allah Subhanahu wa Taala brought to me and that came to my mind was that I should marry a woman who is more religious than me, so that I can learn religion from her. Alhamdulillah, I did the istikhara dua, and my mother and my parents were also looking for a girl for me and everything, and we managed to find a relative. And I continued to pray istikhara, and I really prayed. And one of the nights, I remember I was praying, and for some reason, I was doing the istikhara, and I really prayed to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala that I want to marry someone who's much better with me, who knows Islam better than me, and who can guide me, and whom I can learn the religion from. And Alhamdulillah, eventually, the way, I got married, and my wife, Alhamdulillah, is much more religious than me. And in fact, she's the one who also motivated me to start this class that we are having right now. So I think it is very, very important, because, and I feel it in my personal life at every step, at times, because shaitan is with all of us, right? So shaitan is always trying to misguide us and turn us towards left and right. It's always good to seek advice from someone, and obviously, because your wife is living with you every day, so you can talk to her and ask her about things, and you do your discussions. So if the person is religious and they understand Islam as well, this can be very, very beneficial. So I really hope and pray that all of my brothers over here, all of you really get pious and religious Muslim wives.